Have you ever wondered where you can trade your Beam tokens? It's a question that many crypto enthusiasts have asked themselves. Let's dive into the world of Beam trading and explore the various platforms and exchanges where you can buy, sell, and trade this privacy-focused cryptocurrency. Beam, as you may know, is a cryptocurrency designed to prioritize user privacy. It uses a unique consensus algorithm known as Mimblewimble to ensure that transactions remain confidential. But where can you actually trade this privacy-focused coin? Let's take a look at some of the popular options. Centralized exchanges. Binance, one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, Binance offers trading pairs for Beam. You can buy and sell Beam using various fiat currencies and other cryptocurrencies. KuCoin, another major centralized exchange, KuCoin also supports Beam trading. It offers a wide range of trading pairs and features, making it a popular choice for many traders. HitBTC. HitBTC is another centralized exchange where you can trade Beam. It has a large selection of trading pairs and offers various trading tools and features. Decentralized exchanges, DEXs. Uniswap, as one of the most popular DEXs, Uniswap allows you to trade Beam directly with other users on the Ethereum blockchain. You can swap Beam for other ERC20 tokens or stablecoins. PancakeSwap, similar to Uniswap, PancakeSwap is a decentralized exchange built on the Binance Smart Chain. It offers a wide range of trading pairs, including Beam. Over-the-counter, OTC, trading. OTC platforms. For larger trades, you may want to consider using OTC platforms. These platforms connect buyers and sellers directly, allowing for more private and customized transactions. Factors to consider. When choosing a platform to trade Beam, there are several factors to consider. Fees. Different platforms charge varying fees for trading. Compare the fees charged by different exchanges to find the most cost-effective option. Security. Security is paramount when trading cryptocurrencies. Choose platforms with strong security measures to protect your funds. Liquidity. Ensure that the platform has sufficient liquidity for Beam trading, especially if you plan to trade large volumes. Regulations. Be aware of the regulatory landscape in your jurisdiction and choose a platform that complies with local laws. The world of Beam trading offers a variety of options, from centralized exchanges to decentralized platforms and OTC trading. By understanding the different platforms and factors to consider, you can make an informed decision and find the best place to trade your Beam tokens. Call to action. So, where will you trade your Beam? Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, there's a platform out there that suits your needs. Do your research, compare options, and start trading Beam today. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.